Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can get chat bubble skins and how you can change them. So I got mine from the festival pack. You do have to buy it, and my friend gifted it to me too like a few months ago for the winter pack. And this is what it looks like, by the way. If you just type hi, you'll see that my chat bubble skin is different. So to change it, just go to edit skin. I have the penguin here and press save. This is what the penguin looks like. And this is the latest one. As you can see here, if you go to the festival pack, you'll get it immediately upon purchase. The popcorn movie ticket chat bubble like skin. So that's how you can change it if you're wondering, and that's how you can get it as well. So there will be different ones in the future, but this is what it looks like. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!